Hello, beautiful people. My name is Kristen. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, today I have a coffee and a classic. It has been quite a while, busy month. Haven't gotten to read much or film much or any of that thing, but I did want to take a minute to open up my subscription box. I will leave the link below with all the information if you would like to further investigate if this would be the box for you. I am on a budget, but I keep this box in because I love books and I love to read, and this brings me great joy to see what the surprise is each month. So let's see. We have, I see on top, coffee, it says the Roaring Twenties. Ooh, it's bourbon flavor. I love bourbon flavor. That looks awesome. Oh, I could smell, oh my gosh, I could smell it through the package. This I might have to look, a coffee and a classic custom blend. See, the problem with when they do these custom blends is it's difficult to reorder them online. So if you're watching this coffee and a classic founding people, you should negotiate with these people to have some kind of special for us to purchase more of it. I wanted to purchase, the only one that I actually went on to legitly order online, they didn't have that flavor. It was a custom blend. So All That Jazz Bluetooth speaker. That looks handy. Let me open it up for us. There's these little worms. Let me see. Little music speaker. I'm a youth director, which is why May is so busy. I have confirmation, graduation, end of the year parties, everything crazy like that. So I can really use little portable speakers like crazy. I hook them up to my phone and I can play a music or soundtrack or whatever I need to do with my teenagers. So this, actually, I really like this. This is a good deal. I will totally use that. I'm not sure what book this is. Music and All That Jazz. Is it The Music Man? Like, is there a, I've seen The Music Man musical. Is there a book for The Music Man? What music is it? It's interesting because there's not a card on top. Normally the card's on top to tell you. Oh, this is cute. There's a feather bottle opener. It's copper metal. So I drink beer, long neck beer. I can use that too. That's cute. What else? What else? Where's my little sheet? The sheet must be at the bottom this time because here's the book and it feels pretty. The Beautiful and Damned and Other Stories by F. Scott Fitzgerald. Wow. It's a collection of short stories. I really look forward to reading this. Yeah, I don't know that I've ever heard. Here, I'll see if I can get it to focus on the list of short stories that are included. But I'm pretty sure, I'm sitting here racking my brain to know if I know any of those. So that's awesome, and it's a beautiful book. It's just the normal pages. It's got some design in it. And it's got the embossed words from it. Let's see the bookmark. The bookmark's a beautiful feather. So obviously there's a jazzy main story about music. The Beautiful and the Damned. I wonder if that's the one that's all about music. See, haven't read this. So you get the little card that tells you everything that's in your box. Normally this is on top and I can cheat and look at the card and know what it is. But I am quite pleased with this. This is a really good box for me. I love the feather bookmark. I'll probably, to be perfectly honest, I have cats and this feather is not gonna make it very long unless I keep this way inside of a book. But I like it. And I love this book and I look forward to reading this. I will put this kind of near the top of my classics, y'all. If you're not subscribed and you like books, please do, because the classic that I read this month is definitely going to be in my top 3 classics of all time. I am loving the classic I'm reading. It's about a 600 and something page book and I only have about 100 pages left. So I'll try to finish it tonight. I'm just really busy right now, but I love this book. So come back for my reviews next week. I will have the reviews for May and include that classic. So there's my little teaser trailer. Thank you for joining me for Coffee and a Classic. If you have a favorite classic, please leave it below in the comments. And if you're new, go ahead and tell me where you're from and maybe your all-time favorite book, whether it's classic or not. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a super blessed day.